This N8N agent automatically turns PowerPoint presentations into fully narrated videos, and I'm going to show you how it works. Now, first of all, let me just show you some of the stuff you give it and the outputs that you get. So first of all, you just give it a simple presentation. This can be a Google Slides, this can be a PowerPoint presentation. And just for reference, this presentation has also been made fully with AI, and if you'd like another video about how to generate presentations this good fully using AI, then I can make a video on that. But what you give it a presentation just like this, and it will use the presentation as context, and it will automatically create the script, it will automatically create the voiceover for the script, and it will automatically edit all the voiceovers and the videos together into a fully narrated video presentation. And then the output is going to look something like this.
Sapphire Preferred Card has a $95 annual fee, strict side by side.
It will automatically change slides.
MX but very expensive. Annual credit.
What's on the screen at any time. So yeah, it will change slides and it will automatically narrate what's on the screen at any time. And it's a pretty good tool, to be honest with you. It costs roughly $1 total per run for this really high quality video. And you can see it. Look at this presentation as well. This is made fully by AI. I didn't do anything in this presentation at all. I didn't give it any context. I didn't do anything apart from give it the title. So yeah, let's get into how the agent actually works now. So first of all, what you have to do, we have a Google Doc here, or a Google Sheet here. And this Google Sheet, you simply go ahead and input the URL for the presentation. So go ahead and convert the presentation to PDF, just save it as PDF, and then just upload it to Google Drive or something, and then paste the URL, into the input folder, just like this. So I can go ahead and just grab like this one here. This is a presentation we made about hair loss. And now what I can do, first of all, is I can use the runner. So this runner is set to automatically trigger once every 12 hours. So at noon and at midnight, it will go ahead and trigger it. It will go ahead and check all of the rows inside of here, and it will check for the ones without output. So this is the output column, and any of them that have no output in here, it will go ahead and it will convert those into the videos. So this is basically just like a runner. It just like checks every 12 hours if the videos have been made yet. And if they haven't been made into videos yet, it will go ahead and it will update the Google Sheet and it will send it to another prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute the workflow. You can also do it manually like this, and you can see it's going to go ahead and check. And now it's updated this to idle, but it should soon update it to generating. There we go. And the workflow is going to go generate now. So what this does here, execute workflow, this will now connect to the other PowerPoint generator, so the actual main N8N agent, and it will start generating it. And now I'm going to show you how that works. This is kind of just a runner and just updates the Google Sheet. But this is where the main bulk of the processing actually happens. So here we go. We have the input here, and it goes ahead, generates the directory ID and creates a directory. And first of all, it grabs the PDF from Google Drive, and it will automatically convert the PDF to images. So for that part, we're using this node here. It's PDF Co. This is a really good one. It just converts PDFs into images, which is great. It just does some stuff like it removes public viewing. And it's going to go ahead now, once it's converted into images, and it's going to split it out into a few different modules. So first of all, the first thing it does up here is it downloads the slide images and it saves them to the disk. So this is actually run on a server, just so that we can run some local modules. Now you could run this on the N8N cloud server and send it to an MCP server or something like that, but we've just run it locally just for the ease of use. And then we've just hosted N8N on a server, which is a pretty good way to do it. So it downloads the images that have been converted from PDF, and it saves them to the disk, and then it will go ahead and merge it. This bit here, what it does is it goes ahead and it will create the audio. Now, first of all, it goes ahead and it takes the PDF and it splits them up, and it will generate a script for each part of the script. So here's the prompt. These are presentation slides. Create a voiceover script for each slide. Only include the script in the output. Ignore blank ones, and it goes ahead and it gives it all of the different slides in here. And this will basically loop and wait until it's generated a script for every single part of the slide. So all 12 slides, or however many slides you have, it will generate a script individually for each of them. Once this is done looping, and it's done every single item, it then goes and sends it to the generate audio section. Now this is very easy. It will just combine the scripts. It converts the text to speech using 11 Labs, which is very easy. It saves the audio to the disk, and it also gets the speech timing. So this is useful because it allows us to set the length of each slide. So we can, in here we can say slide 1 is 2 minutes long based upon the audio, and then it will use that as context for the next part when it edits it to make that slide 2 minutes long for the image. So here we go, it gets the speech timing, it will get the audio duration, and it basically maps out the length of each slide according to the audio it's assigned to. So the next step, we go ahead and just merge it all. So we've got our images here, and now we've got our audios here. It splits the audio per slide, it sets the duration, it creates a video per slide. So this is with FFmpeg. All of this gets edited with FFmpeg. If you haven't used FFmpeg before, it's a like code editor. It's very good. There's a lot of functionalities you can do with it. So this is why we use it, and it's just run locally. And yeah, so it'll go ahead, it will create the video per slide, it will merge them, so merging the audio and the video, and then it's going to go ahead and write all of the merged files, like this. It's going to convert it to a text file, it's going to save the TXT to the disk, and then it's going to merge all of them into a final video. So this part makes the slides one by one, saves them as TXT, and then this part merges all of the individual slides together. Then what it finally does, once it's edited everything together, it goes ahead and it finds the location of it, and it goes ahead and uploads it to Google Drive. It deletes directory from the server just so that we can start fresh on the next run, and then it goes ahead and returns the upload video link to this one here, and then it will go ahead and update the Google Sheet with the video link. And you can see here, boom, it's done. And so that video there takes a few minutes to generate, and that's basically created a high quality slideshow presentation video for that. And this is really useful because it's fully automated, meaning that we generate the PowerPoints with AI only. We don't give it any context. We use an AI agent that automatically creates presentations. So we send it the title, so let's say, Squarespace versus Wix. It will go ahead and research everything. It will put it into an amazing looking slideshow. And then the slideshow simply gets added to the Google Sheet, just paste the link in, and then it will automatically edit all the stuff together, generate the script, generate the audio, turn it into a video, and then you can do what you want with it. Now, there's a ton of use cases for this. Specifically, we use it for YouTube search, and it does very, very well. So yeah, if you like this video, go down below. We have a school community where we teach you how to build AI workflows, how to use N8N, and basically how to streamline workflows and use AI in your everyday business. Yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.